Hey, what's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing? Привет. Konnichiwa. Ni hao. Hola. Jeonreitsua. Como talebu. Update on the recycling or recycle 13B Dorito project. So far, let's see what parts we have. Those are gonna be the rotors. That's the rear, that's the front. I haven't still gone through the seals, which is the apex seals, corner seals, side seals, springs. I haven't gone through it yet to go, but I have the rotors ready. I have the eccentric shaft ready. That's the one. I have the housings there. I'm gonna have to get them done. You guys already saw one of my previous videos how I didn't show how it's done because the first two sets I did, they're already running. One of them already has close to 3,000 miles. The other one, I think it barely has like 2,000 or so. No, the first one is going almost for 4,000 miles. The other one is close to 2,000. I'm expecting once they pass the test, which is maybe what maybe like 10,000 miles or even 20,000, I'll be 100% confident that method, that way can be done, because it was in-house. So once I pass that goal, I will show you guys the process. I just want to make sure they're gonna last and they're doing good. So far, yeah, my way or my method is working. So stay tuned on that one. But anyway, so far, so this is the parts I'll be using for the recycle project. Those are the rotors. That's the eccentric shaft. Those are the housings I have to get redone. I don't know, leave a comment below what color should I paint those. Leave it aluminum, should I powder coating, should I just go change the color of black, golds, reds, blues? Let me know, so drop a comment below. And then on the rotors, I will replace the bearing. I think I have a video on how to replace it. Yeah, I do have a video, so go check. It should be down there. I even have a playlist of 13B rotary videos for all the rotary guys that want to see how to replace the bearing. I already have a video. Everything is done at home. You guys can do it in your own garage, in your backyard, living room, kitchen, even in the bathroom, anywhere you want. You don't have to spend money and go ahead and do all the stuff. But anyways, this is one of them. As you can see, the edge of the group for the apex seal, that's what it is. That's the other side. That's the other side. It's clean. How to read your what side, what weight is. This one. These are rare to find. So on top of my mind, I don't remember if this is the ones with the high compression. But this is F as its front. B, that's the letter of the weight. So it's the letter B. Front weight B. So pockets for combustion chamber, whatever you want to call it. So the other side. Again, if for any reason you guys don't have the stamp in here with the weight letter, well, you're gonna flip it on the side of where the stationary gears connects, the little ring gear. You're gonna look up for the little square IQ reader, or the little square for the scanner, whatever you want to call it. You're gonna look for it, a little square with a bunch of little dots. This one right here, and right next to it is gonna be your weight letter. Don't worry about the S. Your letter is gonna be down, which is this one right here. So as you can see, it's the weight B. It matches that letter with this one right here. See the B, the weight B, on your weight B. Don't worry about all those little numbers, little letters in here. Another 2 right here, an M right here. There's another S in here. S and stuff, it only marks the position. There's an L right here, another 2. Mazda chingao. It's gonna be the same number on the front. So as you can see, the only one is there. Let me pause it, I'll be right back. Alright, sorry for the intermission. So we had one, and it was the, I'm already lost. It was the rear or it was the front? Anyway, so I have the other one in here. So it has the front, F, front. This one here is the rear, RB, rear, weight B. So like I said, we replaced the bearings. So I already told you how to identify your weight next to the IQ reader right here, or scanner. I don't know how is this thing called. Damn it, I should have was flipped. So as a weight, let me go ahead on the other side. So your weight, if you don't have it on the front, you're gonna have it on the side. Remember, what is the little ring for the station in the gear, or the ring? Let me. There you go. You see, is the little square right there, the little reader or scanner thing. There's the B in there. That's the B over there. One is rear, one is front. So yeah, that's about it. That's the update. So I already have the rotors ready to assemble. I just have to go through the apex seals and corner seals. I have the eccentric shaft over there. I have an OMP there. I have the housings there. They just have to be redone. And those are just extra parts that I have. If anyone needs something, let me know. I have the main bolts. I have the rear 54 millimeters nut. I have the oil pumps. I have the you name it. I have a bunch of things. Even counterweights, stick shift, automatics. What else? The irons. Where's the irons? Let's see. Let me put this down. The irons all the way over there. Right there. I have 4 ports. I have 6 ports. So I'm almost ready to rock and roll. So yeah, that's the update on the another project I have going on. This is the BMW right here. 05 from the action. 2.5 leather all the way around. 05 facelift. 700 bucks. Runs and drives. It's an auto. I'm just looking for a stick shift swap, but that's not the daily. This is another project. This is the 3.0 for my BMW. So this one is gonna be swapped to a stick shift because mine is automatic right now. So yeah, the project's rolling. Stay tuned.